Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with DK sir once again. So today's session we are going to discuss about DDL and DML statement in SQL practically. Like yesterday, I've already summarized about data types, variables, and operators, right? So here we are going to see practically step by step how to use the DDL and DML statement with practical. Okay, so let's proceed. So like as I told you, study comments and comments. So first of all, I have tried to use command to access my database. Like I make it here DKS school. So I will select my database. Like as you can see by default display the master like as I told you. Once I run this, execute. So now my database is visible now. It's ready to work. Then I mentioned the comments how to create, how to use DDL statement. In DDL statements like create, alter, drop, and truncate. Okay, so let's say step by step. So I'm going to create table and table name. Suppose here I given like employee details or student details, any specific one. So now here we are going to define the columns, I mean attributes of the table, column of the table. So suppose I took it a employee ID. Underscore means it cannot left blank once you define the any specific column. So that's why we have to use underscore here. Integer means data type integer. Primary key. So primary key never support null value. Like as I told you, primary key is identifier of the table. Employee name, like data type. Suppose I given 22. In char you can give even the size 256. Char is a fixed variable, whereas varchar is the changeable variable. You can change anytime, it's not a fix. That is the major difference between char and varchar. Like employee, I took it salary. Salary, we have to take money data type, not null. What do you mean by not null? You can keep any column not null, so you have to write after that not null. It means you have to fill the value in that specific column. You cannot left blank. Okay, so you have to select and execute it. Say command completed successfully. I want to see my table, so I have to use the DQL query. Select a statement. Select asterisk means all from where? Table name, employee details, and select it and run F5. So as you can see, employee name, employee ID name, and salary. So we use the create only here, first statement. Second, alter. Why we are going to use alter? Alter in which situation? Suppose I am creating my table. During creation of the table, suppose I forget any column name. Okay, so I don't want to destroy my tables. In that situation, I can use the alter and I can add my that specific column. So once we alter the column, that column going to add end of the table. So here I can write how to alter the table. So for that you have to write alter table and table name like employee details. Add, you have to use that keyword. Like suppose I want to add employee address or shipping any specific varchar. Suppose I given here 100. Okay, F5 command completed successfully. So definitely whatever query we have to execute, we have to check my output coming or not. So by select command, we have to check every time your output coming or not. So select it, F5 for execute. Now say employee address add on. You can add multiple value at the same time inside. You can add multiple column as well. Suppose again alter table, table name, employee details. Always remember SQL is not case sensitive. Add Suppose employee Shetty, okay, varchar employee gender, okay. So run this F5, command completed successfully, we can say. So this is a situation like if you forget, so you are able to add the column in your table. Possibilities there. Maybe you add wrong column which are not required, isn't it? Like I add that specific column which are not required in my table by mistake, right? So you can drop the column also as well. Suppose I add employee city or address by mistake, I don't want. So how to drop the column from table? How to drop the column from table? So how to drop the column from table? So again you have to write alter table employee details. Then you have to write drop column and column name. Suppose I want to drop employee address. So make sure you have to write the correct spelling. F5, command completed successfully, and I will check now. Employee address has been deleted from my table or not. So as you can see, employee address has been deleted from my table. Okay. So sorry. So you can drop the column as well. Any specific column, which one you're looking for, you can drop it also. Clear? So this is alter. Okay, drop. Fine. Truncate we are going to use after inserting the values. I hope you guys clear. Suppose I want to drop column like employee, Shetty, any specific one. Shetty. Again, I will run this F5. Command completed successfully. Check back. You can see now. Right. So in this video, I have seen guys how to create your table in a database. Right. So we define the data type for each of the columns, alter the column. Like once you forget the column in your table, so you can add later on also using the alter. Okay. And how to drop the column from the table. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for this video. Okay. Then see you next one. Thank you. Bye.